everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to create Google contacts from Facebook lead ads leads and send confirmation email. So I run a sports coaching business, and to promote my business I am running some Facebook lead ads. So here in this case I want whenever a new lead is generated in my Facebook lead ad, automatically that lead should be added as a contact in my Google contacts, and after that automatically a confirmation mail should be sent to that lead. So here to automate this entire process, I am going to connect these applications using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to learn how to automatically create Google contacts from Facebook lead ads lead and send confirmation email. So as I've already mentioned in my introduction that I run a sports coaching business, and this is my Facebook page which is named as Star Sports Training Center. So here to promote my sports training center, I'm running some Facebook lead ad. And here in this case I want whenever a new lead is generated in my Facebook lead ad, automatically that lead should be added as a contact in my Google contacts, and after that automatically a confirmation mail should be sent to that lead. So here to build this connection, I need to connect my Facebook lead ads with my Google contacts and my Gmail. And here to automate this entire process, I'm going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notification when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. Plus it keeps everything organized and error-free so you can focus on growing your business hassle-free. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, and you can visit this page by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to connect my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button that is given on the top right corner. Now here in this Create Workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as Create Google Contacts from Facebook Lead Ads Lead and Send Confirmation Mail. And here I'm going to select my folder as Automations. You can select your folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder in Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this Learn More link given over here. And by doing this, it will take you to our forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder in Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this Create button. Now here in this workflow window, you can see two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Facebook Lead Ads. So Facebook lead ads are a type of advertising format on Facebook that help businesses collect contact information from people interested in their products or services. They are used to generate leads directly on Facebook without requiring users to leave the platform to fill out a form on a website. When someone clicks on a lead ad, they see a form pre-filled with their Facebook information, making it quick and easy for them to submit their details, such as name, email address, and phone number. Businesses use Facebook lead ads to build their customer base by capturing leads effectively, which they can then follow up with through email marketing, sales calls, or other communication to convert them into customers. It's a convenient way for businesses to reach potential customers and grow their sales directly on Facebook. So here in my Facebook lead ads, I'm going to select my trigger event as new lead instant, so that whenever a new lead is generated in my Facebook lead ads, instantly Pabbly Connect should capture the response. And now to connect my Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Facebook lead ads account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. And here you can see authorization successful. So here it easily got connected because I was already logged in my Facebook account. So here to build an easy connection, make sure you're already logged in your Facebook account. So moving back to Pabbly's window, and now here after building a successful connection, moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select my page. So here I'm going to search for my page which is named as Star Sports Training Center. So this is my page. And then here it is asking for lead gen form. So for that, let me take you to my Meta Business Suite. And here you can see all the lead ads form which I have created for my use. You can create your own lead ad form as per your need. And here in this case, I'm going to use my lead ad form which is named as lead form. So moving back to Pabbly's window, and here I'm going to select my lead gen form as lead form. So here I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all lead gen form. And now here after selecting this page and the lead gen form, here I'm going to click on this save and send test request. And here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response, that means here to receive a response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead in our Facebook lead ad. So for that, let me take you to Meta for Developers. So this is the homepage of Meta for Developers, and from here I'm going to click on this more, and from here I'm going to select Tools. Now here under Developer Tools, I'm going to select Lead Ads RTO Debug Tool. And now here under Lead Ads Testing Tool, it is asking me to select my page and my form. So here I'm going to select my page which is named as Star Sports Training Center, and my form that is lead form. And now here to generate a test lead, I'm going to click on this preview form. Here I'm going to enter a dummy data and do a test submission. So here I'm going to enter the email as dummy@pabblytudes.com, a random phone number, first name as dummy, and last name as user. And now here after entering all these details, here I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's window. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the email, phone number, first name, last name, and some other details. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger. Now let's move to action step. And here I'm going to select my action application as Google Contacts. So Google Contacts is a tool provided by Google that helps you store and manage your contacts in one place. It allows you to keep track of people's name, email addresses, phone numbers, and other important details all in one organized list. It is used to make it easier to find and communicate with your contacts, whether they are friends, family, or business associates. You can add new contacts, edit existing ones, and even sync them across your devices so you always have up-to-date information at your fingertips. It's a handy tool for staying connected and organized in today's digital world. And now here in my Google Contacts, I'm going to select my action event as Create a Contact, so that whenever a new lead is received in my Facebook lead ads, automatically that lead should be added as a contact in my Google Contacts. And now here to connect my Google Contacts with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Google Contacts account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account. And here I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So now here after building a successful connection, moving forward, and then here it is asking me for first name, last name, and some other details. So here instead of entering these details manually, here I will map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I will map the data from the response I have received in my trigger step. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that whenever a new lead is received, automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to map the lead's first name. Moving forward, here this middle name is not a required field, so here I'm going to leave it blank. Here I'm going to map the last name. Moving forward, here this name prefix and suffix is not required field, so here I'm going to leave them blank. Moving forward, and here for the gender I'm going to select unspecified. And now here it is asking for email work, email home or email other. So here I'm going to map the lead's email in email home. So here I'm going to map the email. Moving forward, here again this company name, job title, job department and some other fields are not a required field. So here I'm going to leave them blank. And lastly here I'm going to map the lead's phone number. So now here after entering the phone number, moving forward, again these addresses and some other fields are not a required field. So here I'm going to leave them blank. But if you want to add any other detail, then you can do it as per your need. And now here after entering all the required data, I'm going to click on this save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new contact in our Google Contacts. So now let's go and check our Google Contacts. Here I'm going to refresh this window. And here you can see we have successfully created a new contact with the name dummy user, email as dummy@pabblytunes.com and a random phone number. So with this we have successfully set up this action step. Now let's move to another action step by clicking on this add action step button given over here. And here I'm going to select my action application as Gmail. So Gmail is an email service provided by Google that allows you to send and receive emails over the internet. It is used by millions of people worldwide for personal and business communication. Gmail offers a user-friendly interface where you can organize your emails into folders, search for specific messages, and manage multiple email accounts in one place. It is popular because it's reliable, secure, and integrates seamlessly with other Google services like Google Drive and Google Calendar. Whether you are sending a quick message to a friend or managing important business communications, Gmail makes email simple and efficient. And here in my Gmail action step, I'm going to select my action event as Send Email V2, so that after adding that lead in my Google Contacts, automatically a confirmation mail should be sent to that lead. And here to connect my Gmail with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Gmail account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Gmail. Here I'm going to select my desired account. And here I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So now here after building a successful connection, moving forward, and then here it is asking for recipient email addresses. So here I need to enter the email address to whom I want to send this mail. So again here I'm going to map the lead's email. So for that I'm going to search for the email here. So this is the email. Moving forward, here the CC and BCC field are not a required field, so here I'm going to leave them blank. And here in this sender email address, you can see my email is already selected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking for sender name. So here for the sender name, I'm going to enter my company name, that is Star Sports Training Center. Moving forward, and then here it is asking for email subject. So here I'm going to enter an email subject such as Welcome to Star Sports Training Center. Your journey to peak performance starts here. And now here after entering this email subject, moving forward, here this reply to is not a required field. So here I'm going to leave it blank. Here for the email content type, I'm going to select plain. And then here it is asking me to enter the email content. So here I need to enter the email content which I want to send as a mail to my lead. So here I'm going to enter a content. So this is the email content which says, Dear lead's name, thank you for your interest in Star Sports Training Center. We are excited that you have taken the first step towards achieving your athletic goals with us. We have received your inquiry through our Facebook lead ad and we are eager to guide you on your journey to peak performance. At our training center, we are committed to helping athletes of all levels excel in their sport through personalized training programs and expert coaching. Our experienced team is dedicated to tailoring a training regimen that meets your specific needs and aspirations. Whether you are aiming to improve endurance, enhance agility, or master technical skills, we are here to support you every step of the way. Please don't hesitate to contact us at this number or starsports@pabblytudes.com to schedule your initial consultation or ask any queries you may have. We look forward to discussing how we can assist you in reaching your athletic potential. Once again, welcome to Star Sports Training Center. Get ready to elevate your game and achieve greatness. Best regards, Jesse Matthew, Lead Manager, Star Sports Training Center. So this is the email content which I want to send, and here in the place of this lead's name, I'm going to map the lead's name. So here I'm going to map the lead's first name. Moving forward, here this file name, attachment, label, IDs and signature is not a required field. So again here I'm going to leave them blank. But if you want to add any other detail, then you can do it as per your need. And now here, after entering all the required data, I'm going to click on this Save and Send Test Request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent a mail to our lead. So now let's go and check our lead's mail. So here you can see the mail which our lead has received, with the email subject as Welcome to Star Sports Training Center. Your journey to peak performance starts here. Sender's name as Star Sports Training Center and name as Dear Dummy with the same email content. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let's test our automation with a real-time example, and to test our automation, we need to generate another test lead in our Facebook lead ads. So for that, let me take you back to my lead ads testing tool. And here, to generate a new test lead, I need to delete my previous lead because it says you can create one lead per form. You will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So here, to delete my previous lead, I'm going to click on this delete lead button given over here. And then here I'm going to refresh this window, and that's a necessary step. And after that, here I'm going to select my page and my form again. So here for the page, I'm going to select Star Sports Training Center. And here for the form, I'm going to select lead form. And now here, after selecting this page and the form, here I'm going to click on this preview form. Now here I'm going to enter dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the email, I'm going to enter email as test@pabblytudes.com. Here I'm going to enter a random phone number. And then here I'm going to enter the first name as test and last name as user. And now here, after entering all these details, here I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. So now let's go and check our Google contacts. Here I'm going to refresh this window. And here you can see we have successfully created a new contact with the name test user, email as test@pabblytudes.com and a random phone number. So now let's go and check our lead's email. And here you can see the mail which our lead has received with the same email subject, same sender's name, and the lead's name as Dear Test with the same email body content. So with this, we have successfully tested our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Facebook lead ads and our actions as Google contacts and Gmail. So that whenever a new lead is generated in our Facebook lead ads, automatically that lead should be added as a new contact in my Google contacts, and after that, automatically a confirmation mail should be sent to that lead. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.